Fuck it.
Ocean.
Last season got the sauce.
Tired of these goddamn games. Tired of these fucking flames. Tired of it all. Microphone switch up on a bitch. I got to go. I got to make a phone call. Time to go. It's time to leave. Running all day for the currency. You know me, low key, homie, OG. From the streets to the 3-0. Y'all bitches is zeros to me. Microphone king. Hit 'em and get 'em and go. Leave 'em right on the floor. Smash on the gas and leave 'em assed out. Looking for a handout. I'm tired of this bullshit y'all running. Games y'all be playing. Say something, I might do something that's drastic, goddammit. Holding on some plastic. Glock 4 zeros coming out. Drinking on a 4-0. If you knew how it is in my mental peace. Fuck with me. I don't think you bitches wanna see the king on a go tip. Running and gunning. Running and gunning. I wish you bitches would try to test Clint Eastwood. Hands on the fofo, have a nice day, little ho. Go, skedaddle, cause it all just known to tattle, known to tell. Can't you tell by the way I smell? Like success, oh, dick on a bitch's breath today. Aggressive later, suggesting that you leave the scene. Cause I'm tired of these goddamn games. Running and gunning, here we go. Throwing thunderbolts, call me Zeus. I gotta do what I gotta do, cause these bitches try to play games too. But I'm like a game of chess, and y'all like a game of checkers. And we the best, fucker, disrespect me. I'll go ahead, leave you on your knees every day of the week. Chopping beats, ooh, we smoking tree by the acre. And I'm drinking by the ocean. Hennessy got me going and flowing. Y'all bitches ain't knowing the path of the math that I'm on. I hide it, y'all divide it. Shit, I provide dick to your bitches. Straight dangerous. Y'all better hit that red button, cause you know it's gon' be hit 'em or bust. Fuckers, you don't want to be around me, cause I don't trust near not a Nathan of you. Faggots, y'all just doing what you do. Square bears, square glide. Now it laters, I'm an alligator, use a fucking flea. Stepping on these bitches every day of the week. Trust me, y'all some goddamn custies. Microphone hogs, ain't spitting anything but some weak bars. Shit, I sell shards. I'll twist you out, burn you out with that butane and put you down like a veterinarian. Pussy in my face again. No, I'd rather replace a bitch and take sips. Nasty bitches, but not running. Nasty bitches.